Hello, this is Ryan Hughes from the Pix4D training team. In this video, we will learn how to export from Pix4Dsurvey. The Export Selection menu is a quick way to visualize the project's data and export this data to your destination folder, where all your exported data will be saved by default. The Exports menu lets you choose the data and file format you want to export. With the Pix4Dsurvey project open, move the cursor to the export icon and click to open the menu. Once opened, you can select and export your point clouds and classifications, vector data, volume layers, grid of points, tin surface, and contour lines. Depending on your project and which processing steps you have completed, some elements may not be available for export. You can work through each section, enabling the checkmark if you want to export specific data. You will also have the option on the right side of each export to choose between different file formats depending on your deliverable or third-party software needs. For this tutorial video, I will leave the default selections and file formats. Once all the export options have been selected, scroll to the bottom of the export menu and click Export. The data has now been exported and saved in a file path created by Pix4Dsurvey, which is the destination folder of the project by default. Once your data has been exported, click Open Destination Folder below Export at the bottom of the Export menu. The Open Destination folder will open the folder where the exports have been saved. You can see your exports and various file formats in the destination folder. The output files are now ready for the next step in your workflow. Thank you for following along in this tutorial video. We hope this information was helpful, and we will see you in the next video.